The tools what they have used in the microlithic phase. Micro means what? Small. Lithic means stone. Now he has reduced the size of the tools. Now he make the sharp mean points, sharp blades, and these sharp points and sharp blades, they were tied to one wooden mean stick, and wooden stick is so weightless, and with the weightless wooden stick he could run after the deer, and he could use it as a spear. And he started making the bow and arrow, and for arrow he has started using the microlithic tools as a points, and he started killing the animals. And that is the advancement you can see from Paleolithic to the microlithic. Apart from this, you can see the tremendous change in the environment. Now earth was moved from Paleolithic